The boy who was too poor to see a doctor, but came back to build a $700 million empire. Part 6. Starbucks was back, the numbers were up, the stores were alive again, but Howard? He wasn't. He had everything: wealth, success, global respect, yet late at night, he'd lie awake, staring at the ceiling, asking, what now? He wasn't hungry anymore, not for money, not for more stores. What he craved was impact. The boy who once slept in a broken apartment with no hot water now had the world's ear, and he realized, maybe coffee was just the beginning. So he started speaking out, against inequality, against injustice. He challenged billionaires to do more than make money. He said, if you're only chasing profits, you're bankrupt already. But not everyone liked this version of him. Some called him too political. Others accused him of forgetting his place. Just sell coffee, they said. But Howard didn't listen. He funded education for thousands, built pathways for the homeless, created jobs for people with criminal records, because he remembered how it felt to be unseen. And in the middle of it all, people asked, Howard, why don't you run for president? He smiled, paused, then said, maybe one day. But for now, I'll lead where I am. Because for him, true power wasn't in a title, it was in using every cup, every store, every dollar to give someone else a shot.